Okay, today's video is going to be on the bee sticks. Ordered 4 of them, I think it was like 2 weeks ago, and I got them in the mail on Monday. Decided to order a set of the stealth strips. What they are is it's like a cloth material adhesive tape that you put on them. It makes them quiet and makes them warm to the touch, you know, in the wintertime whenever you're climbing and stuff. So anyways, today in this video I'm going to show you how to put the stealth strip on the bee stick, and then how to assemble the bee stick once the stealth strip is on. I've already done 3 of these. They're right here. They stack together really good. They're super light. I can't wait to get out and try them out. But anyways, the first one I did, it took me about an hour. And then the second one took me about 35 minutes. And I think the third one took me about 20 minutes. So you'll get the hang of it. And I'm going to show you all the tricks that I learned on the second one and the first one, what you don't want to do. So here we go. So some of the things that you're going to need to assemble these sticks are, you're going to need a 1/4 inch ratchet socket. You're going to need a 7/16 wrench, drywall screw. I think this is probably 1.5 inch drywall screw. A utility knife blade, some tape, any kind of work, a hammer, and then you're going to need a cloth of some sort so you can take the hammer and tap on the bee stick or the steps or the antler things without scratching them all up. Okay, so the first step you're going to want to do is when you unpackage the bee sticks, you want to find the long bolts that are in it, and you're going to want to grind them down about probably 1/8 of an inch. The reason that's being is whenever you go to stack these sticks, the head of the bolt hits the bottom of it whenever you stack them, and they wobble a little bit. So there's a guy on YouTube that I learned that from. I'll put a link down below so you can watch that. But anyways, once you get that done, the next step you're going to do is you're going to take the bee stick and you're going to measure a line all the way across the back side of the bee stick. And how I know it's the back side is the front side's got these holes where your steps are going to be at, and the back side will be the side with the 3 big holes. Okay, and once you get the line made, then you're going to apply the stealth strip.
Yep.
Tell me when.
I'm recording.
Okay, once you get the stealth strip on, to start assembling these sticks, what you want to do is you get a utility knife blade and you start cutting these holes. There's going to be 2 holes on the top, 1 in the middle, I think. Yeah. 1 in the middle, and then 2 down here at the bottom. So I just start by cutting these And then you take your drywall screw and just kind of oval it out like that. And then you're gonna have 2 on this side. As you can see on there, that one there is about perfect. It should, you want it to be able to slide your socket right down in there. And you're going to do that for all 3 holes. This one, and that one. Just like that.
Okay.
All right, so once you get all your holes cut, got these 2 cut, the one in the middle, and then these circles, okay? So once you get them cut, what I do is I take the step first and I get it right in line with those holes. Press down just a little bit, take your rag, put it on top, and just until you get it on there. And then if you have it on there right, it should stay. And then you do your next one, which is down here. Get it lined up with them holes. Put your rag on there. Okay, then once you do that, flip it over and lay it on the steps. They should lay about flush. And then you take your angle or your antler pieces and you push them, get them lined up with the hole, and just kind of wiggle them. And you'll hear the stealth strip start to cut. And there's that one. And you come back and do the other one. You want to get it lined up with your hole. There you can hear it cutting. Alright, that's in. So once you get that done, I flip it back over and take your lag bolts that are already grinded down, and you're going to have to hit it with a hammer because that stealth strip is making it too tight where it won't go in. Okay, and then once you get all 4 of these bolts in there, you want to go ahead and put these nuts on here. I just do the ones on the antler brackets first because they're holding the step and the antler bracket down. So, and once you get that, just take your wrench . And then the trick to getting the nut to go down through there is get you a screw and put your nut on top of there, and then just put this screw right in the dead center of that bolt like that. Can you see that? And then just drop it down and it goes right on there. For the most part, I've had pretty good luck with them. Okay, got that tight. And you come back over here and do the other one. Just take your screw, put the nut on through there, and then you just put it right on the center of this bolt, as you can see right here. And then just drop it down on there. And just put your socket down in there. So I was having problems with that. Every time I was going backwards, it was coming back out. So just look through your hole right here and see if it's tightening. All right. Now I got these 2 done and got 1 more left to do. So take your Versa button, put your bolt through there, put it right on that hole that you cut out. Just have to tap it about 4 or 5 times. You'll feel when it goes in. There it went. And just flip it over. Do this trick with the nut. Drop it down. And then start tightening. Done. All you got to do left, if you come up here, is get these things. You want to do them very last, and just sit them on top, hit them in with a hammer. Don't be shy to hit it because it'll fall off if you don't hit it hard. Alrighty. Okay, so that's a wrap on the video here on how to assemble the B-sticks and put the stealth strip on the B-sticks. Highly recommend these stealth strips. You can get them at stealthoutdoors.com. I'll put a link below. Super quiet and be warm to the touch too, you know, late winter time whenever you're trying to hang and hunt. 2 pounds a stick, that's with the cam buckle strap. So if you do a rope mod, it's like 1.6 or 1.7. So hope you guys liked the video. If you got any questions or comments, let me know. and I'll try to get back with you as soon as I can.